What is up, you guys? It is me, Draven, and today I want to do a rainbow liner look. I can't remember for like what it was called, but I want to use these Norvina, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina cake liner sacks, and I kind of want to do rainbow. I mean, it was Pride Month this past month. Was it June? Now we're in July. I'm lost in time right now, you guys. It was Pride Month this past month, so I didn't have time to do anything. I was busy at summer school, and I was kind of unmotivated to do anything. So now is my time to create something post Pride Month. But I kind of want to create like a neon liner of these. I don't have the whole like colors and rainbows with these eyeliners, obviously. And I don't have all my lipsticks here because sometimes I do liner looks of lipsticks, but I don't have a lot of colors here either. So we're just gonna work with what we got. So I already did my face. My face makeup's all done. So I actually filmed a video how to cover blemishes. I'm not sure it doesn't come up before after this video is published. But if it is published before this video, then go check it out. So yeah, so I guess let's just dive into this tutorial already. Okay, so I do have a little cup of water with me. I have my Swiss brush from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I have this random little paintbrush that's really, really tiny. I don't know if y'all can see that. So I think these will totally help me with the leaf liner. I mean, this one, I've used this one along the last 2 graphic liner looks that I had created, so I'm pretty sure, I'm not sure if I need the other one, but if I do need to go into like finer details or correct some lines, and I will use it. I think I got that brush set at Michael's. It came with like a bunch of little fine tipped brushes. So yeah, if you guys just have like the little brushes thing around that are clean, then use them. Okay, so first color of the rainbow is red, so I'm gonna be using the hot pink, the neon pink, which is the shade Electric Pink. So basically I'm gonna be dipping my brush into this and then creating a simple, kind of like a wing look, I guess, but like way like up, starting up here, I guess. And of course we're gonna work our way down. Honestly, the pink by itself is a look just like this, kind of like negative space liner down here. It's just a look. Honestly, like I just wish I could just leave it at that. I mean, I could just call it a day, but I don't want to. Maybe it may not be cute to add some like pearls or gemstones right here. Oof. Or even like glitter on the liner would look amazing. I really just want to call it a day, but maybe I'll just save this look for another time. But we're gonna be diving into the electric yellow, right? I think that's what it is. It's red, yellow, orange. I don't remember the colors of the rainbow, but I'm pretty sure yellow's next. Let me double check. So luckily I did check online. Orange is the next color. I don't know why I thought it was yellow. I haven't seen a rainbow in a while, I guess. I don't know, I just don't remember it. I know there's like this saying I learned in elementary, but I don't remember what it was. It was like a name or something that helped you memorize the colors of the rainbow, but I don't remember it. So yeah, so we're gonna be diving into the ABH Norvina Electric Orange liner. Okay, so now we're diving into electric yellow. Okay, so I'm actually having trouble with yellow because it's transferring onto my lids. Hooded eye problems, but oh well, I guess we're gonna just deal with that somehow. I don't know. Like, I'm kind of worried about like the green and purple. Like, I feel like it's gonna transfer onto the yellow, so I'm kind of scared about that. But I mean, that's the problems with hooded eyes, I guess. Like, I learn how to work around it. But, like, it looks blotchy, but I think it's because it's transferring onto my eyelids. So I don't know. Hopefully it dries up and it'll stop doing that. I don't know. Okay, so next is the electric green or electric lime. We're gonna be diving into that one next. And hopefully it doesn't transfer onto the yellow. We'll find out. It probably will. Okay, so next we're going to be diving into the electric purple from this stack. And I'm going to be lining my eyes. Oh, also one thing before I forget, I had to make the green thicker. Oh, obviously, so that way it wouldn't like transfer. So that way I had to make the green thicker so that way the purple wouldn't transfer onto the green. So yeah, so I guess if you have hooded eyes like me, you have to improvise and make things thicker, thinner. So yeah, I don't know if y'all can see like how thick it gets in this area. Kind of the way my eyes kind of fold. If that makes sense, I don't know. Okay, so I let this get too thick on accident, I guess. I don't know, I guess I'm heavy-handed with the purple, but this eye came out perfect. I'm gonna add a little bit more green because I realized like if I had added this much, the same thing will happen like on this eye where it transferred. Y'all guys saw I saw that while I was doing the makeup, but yeah. Oh well, I mean, it looks pretty cool on this side though. I really do like the outcome of it. This is exactly how I imagined it to look like versus this side. The struggles of having hooded eyes. I hate it. I hate it. Like I had to draw and cut creases higher than what they actually are supposed to be. Or I mean, well, I mean not what it's supposed to be, but like higher than my actual natural crease. And what else I gotta do? I had to draw a really thick liner if I want to do a wing liner. It kind of sucks, you know. I can go on all day about like having hooded eyes. Like I hate it. I hate it. I don't know who likes them or wishes from, but don't wish from, please. Otherwise, you'll be getting this. You'll be having that struggle. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna go off camera and I'm gonna fix the mess that I made on this eye and probably add some more green on the lower part of it because I don't know if y'all can see. It's a little naked. Right there. It's naked. But I mean, this eye looks really cool. I like the way it looks. It's really bright and neon-y and rainbowy, but this eye is a mess, so we're gonna change that. So I'll be back to you guys. Okay, so my eyes are all fixed, thank goodness, but that was a mess. I mean, it's still a little messy on this side, but I did best I could. And honestly, you can't really see it when I have my eyes fully open because like my hooded eyes covered anyway, so that's a good thing. But anyway, so I'm using the Untitled Beverly Hills Dark Side eyeliner and applying it onto my waterline. Okay, so next I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Bag Mascara. I'm going to be applying that onto my lashes. Okay, so next I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Powder Duo in Granite, and I'm going to do my brows how like I normally do. Look at what's already happening, you guys. It's I hate my hooded eyes. The yellow transferred down here underneath the green, and the yellow was kind of gone in that part, so whatever. But I mean, I guess I won't take pictures of that part. That makes me so mad. Oh my goodness. All my hard work just down the drain just like that. Because my eyelids won't cooperate with me for today. So I'm getting frustrated, you guys. It just sucks when things don't go your way. I'm just gonna leave it at that. Who cares? I don't feel like perfecting it right now. I mean, even if I do it again, even if I do fix it, it's just gonna go back again. Okay, so next I'm be using this Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick and lava, and I'm be using this number 3 lip liner brush right here from Anastasia. This is perfect for lining lips. Okay, so next I'm using this Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Beaming, and we're going to put that over what I had just lined and in the center. Okay, so next I'm adding some lashes, and these are in the style Fabulash from Candy Lash. I'll leave their tag up, the Instagram tag up on the screen, and also have their website tag down below. I had won these lashes in a giveaway, as I mentioned in the past couple videos, past 2 videos I think. So yeah, so I'll be applying these off camera. I'll probably change, add some accessories, and I'll be right back to you guys. Okay, so that is it for today's tutorial. I hope you guys had a lot of fun watching me create this and even failed at making this. Oh, you guys had fun watching that. But I mean, just slap on some big lashes and it'll cover up your mistakes, right? I was gonna wear like slightly thinner lashes than these, but then I really like the way these looked and I tried them on. Also, it kind of covers up like the little oopsies up here, which wasn't my fault though. It's just the fault of my own eyelid, so I mean technically it's my fault, but not intentionally. But I hope you guys had fun watching this and even seeing this look come together. I had wished I thought about it earlier, honestly. I mean, I kind of wanted to do like a rainbowy look for a long time, but I never had time. I just kept forgetting about it. But I'm having fun doing like graphic liner looks. I mean, obviously they're not like cool and creative like as other graphic liner artists do that follow on Instagram and Twitter. But I mean, I like it. It's fun. I really like these liners. They're bright and colorful. I think the only thing I just hate is like how easily they transfer because like they're wet and they take a little bit to dry. Maybe I'm wetting it too much, I don't know. And also like my eyelids, or like they just don't make it fun because like the way they're hooded and they just transfer easily. But I mean they're probably better for like little touches or like just like a little wing liner or whatever. Not like the whole eyelid maybe, but I like doing like whole eyelid liner looks, so yeah. But I really do like the colors. They're really bold and vibrant. They're really pretty. Also like the nude lip with it. It's not neutral, so it doesn't take away from the eyes as much. It looks great. But I mean, I like this neon rainbow. It's cute. I just wish they had like a blue. I think a blue would have been great with this look. I mean, I do have blue lipsticks laying around somewhere. I have blue eyeshadows, but I just don't feel like taking off for them. I don't think I even have my blue lipsticks on me. Otherwise, I would have used it for this look. That would have been cute. I've used liquid lipsticks before in the past as liner, and they work pretty well. It'd be cool to like even like add glitter on this. I mean, it would probably make a huge mess, and also like a lot of time because you know I have to do like each separate color. Also, I don't have like neon glitters, so but maybe it would be really cool to do like a rainbow glitter look. So maybe one of these days. But I'm actually digging this. I hope you guys dig it too, and if you guys dig it, leave a like down below. Also, check out my other previous videos. I had created some graphic liner looks using the same stacks, the Norvina stacks, so make sure you check those out. I think those were a lot of fun. Also, like, those are the first videos in a long time since like before quarantine, maybe after quarantine. It's been like a little over a month, like maybe like a month and a half since I was posted prior to that. So yeah, like the first video was a little bit messy because I forgot, like I don't know, just I wasn't used to being in front of the camera. I haven't been in front of the camera in a while, at least filming at least. But yeah. But I'm trying to like improve for you guys. I know like sometimes I go out of frame when I'm doing makeup, and I know sometimes I go out of focus. But sometimes when I go out of frame, I'm just like so like concentrated on what I'm doing, especially like when I'm doing eyes. I get so concentrated that I just forget that the camera's in front of me. I know it's kind of stupid because I'm filming, but I just forget about it, and I'm in my little zone, you know, I'm in my little world. So yeah, so I hope you guys liked this video. Make sure to leave a like and comment down below if you liked it. And also be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Also make sure you follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook for more awesome content. Also hope you guys are staying safe out there. It's dangerous and scary out there with everything going on with the virus, the brutalities going on. I hope it all ends soon. I mean, maybe the virus won't be ending soon. I won't see it ending soon. Hopefully they won't send us back to school, because I really don't want to go back to school with the virus still out there, because that's dangerous. Like, you just can't do that. But yeah, so I hope you guys are staying safe out there. Make sure you're wearing your mask, make sure you're sanitizing really often, and avoid going out. But if you're in essential work, please stay safe. I hope you guys are staying safe. Well, that'll be it for today's video, so bye guys!